Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily change zoom or field of view on your ELGATO Facecam Pro. So first, what you guys got to do is go over and install Camera Hub for your ELGATO Facecam. Now, after you're done, simply click on Camera, go to Frame, and now here we have Zoom/FOV, which is field of view. Now, as you guys can see, it's at 100, and now we can zoom in up to 400%. So that's pretty cool. And that would be it. Thank you guys for watching, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.